Daya pi baro Shaki tup kubor ka Don Bosco Media Network kimat bakong san menta kasngi kilong kimi linti ki board district Southwest Khasi Hills banyat bet ke jing tepfut shimbenta ar pesawat ki samla Meghalaya ha kalimpum yamer jingmut ha Jakarta pen kre ki board district ribhai banyat bet ki kam ha kasngi tepfut but lum ka sarkar Meghalaya ye ki seng nyam banrat dingkong yaw drugs patu menta ngine pa Shaki kubor ki babinya ki board ka district administration election branch jongka Southwest Khasi Hills district hakani ka kinti kila pinti kana ba ka jing thap vot haka arpwe tri ku rempang arhajar arpusan ladap ban pen kre bhana dong shidong bat ki kirmen scam ba ka kam kan ya bet ya reti klam kanu kanu ka jing e habaro kilang kila batharu bala dadan ki pat ba ki ba empat yo ya ka epic henry ki kirteng jeki ki don haka thup electoral roll kila ban thap vot lada ki don ya ka passport kumju ru ya ka driving license PAN card, passbook badan ringkat kedur bala ai da ka bank lani ka post office, ka scheduled tribe certificate, ka OBC certificate, ka kot pension ka badan bat kedur kum ki ex-serviceman pension book, PPO, ex-serviceman widow, dependent certificate kum juru ka old age pension order, ka widow pension order, ka arms license, ka certificate jong ka badan ha ka jingduna ha ki document, kum juru ya ka MGNREGA job card, health insurance, smart card, school certificate, ka badan ya kedur, nangta ka permanent resident certificate ka bala ay na district administration kumjuru ki badan ki electricity bills Aadhaar card bat ka service identity card ka badan bat ka dur na ka sarkar India la ni sarkar jilla bat na ki PSU
Mental sini habis dapat ke election zone ki HDC 2025 nagalang ngani na po makuha po district administration election branch po jingalab ju DC minta ada P-2 but ki dan kumbakaratli ki polling station ki ban mi na minta sini hapo ka jingpe ju sector officer zonal magistrate ka way polling station dari hapo ka bahap po makuha constituency zone district council but ka way hapo but way to di dari hapo arani ko kini ki jaka ki bam pada biang ke surau but kidan biang kiladun surau maka pada ke blacktop tinggal anak pak lupa bikin move pani tim. Jadi gini kadang ni Islam di Nanduna, nak kelas selection nak kadang rio, akun rio tu le, kita anak yang kadang jom biangki surau. Jadi gini kita lupa hari tu Islam di Nanduna, kemudian kita kawai kelang banduna keris mengenai itu reports, kalau ban selap, kalau ban jangan ono tu, bahawa kipoi kalau ini tim. Jadi apa dia bagi patba apa? Sorry ini the rest of the teams combasis properly the teams are lashages ni. Lashages ni baru kau kini itu tim pandang ke pola apa bagi sawan payah. Jadi na divide hamnya po district ki kalau benda kini benda ki kali emergency kini kita nak penbiang apa? Kita cakap menyelah debjit, dekat bagi polis, but tunjuk ngabu kita nak cek ini kita iban cek ini guna kucing bam day banja, but khamtam man peti kenai ka law and order. Ya kami ni pat baik ini ki documents, nama ka nak lagi pat bakin soto ka electoral roll ke jom ka district council, kita sudah pan ini dapat update try kini ka final roll mo ni pini try the election but kindang ki bamdan ni epic tekani ada eye training ada brief by the presiding officer the sector officer jadi ni ki badang shurung ke kai thamai ki bamdan ni epic tikilawan ra ada kindang ni epic kilawan ra ya ke passport la ni ke driving license ke job card ke PAN card nanta ke ST certificate nanta nada kita beri belah lomba bidang sudah apply ni kong ya keteng kemudian kita ambil ke pension card ke joki pension documents de nanta ki arms license ke school certificate kita ini ke school kemudian admit card ini kita kelaban ini nanta ke permanent resident certificate bala ai ni po DC office ki electricity bill mana nampak kau itu ketika Aadhaar card. Begini documents, kini list of documents yang ada ai po hati persen.
Ka kenhun ki samla bakin thup ya arpu sangut kilami na shalong man haka khat nyotrik urempang ban ya shimenta haka lempung ya merjingmut bat ki samla na ki wei bat kiri ke perthai haka nongba Jakarta Indonesia yakini ki arpu sangut ki samla legit na ki khat artali ki district ke Meghalaya ban mi khamat bat ban shimbenta haka ni ke lempung ki samla ki belawan na bun ke lengkiri ke perthai lasdang yakini ke lempung man haka khat ndrutrik bat kan kut pat haka arpu artali urempang yakani ke lempung ye merjingmut ki samla la pen mi perthai house nam ajar khatsan ban ai lahat ye ki samla na ke lengkiri ke perthai bani kan do lang ban merjingmut paramaki bat ban pen ithu ithau ye ki dostur giriti bakawai kiri ke dan bat kan nyokor ban sam nam shikiwei bat ki samla kaken hun Meghalaya ru kala pen kre ban pen pau perthai ye la ki sap ki phong ki riti ki dostur ka shat ka kemen bat karwai ka siau kini ke jingya kendu kan pliru ya ka phang bani long paralok bat ki samla ni ki we kiri bante haki kam ki jam jong ki hadin habun lingba kani ka limpung lakmi lendi ba ki samla ka Meghalaya kin sayo shibun ki jingmen toy ban pentibet jaladi ban yo i jingai bat ban long ki nangilam ki bas khem jingbut bat kham tam e ban la ban tre lang kum ko we ka kin hun kani ka limpung kan pli bat pen yaru ya ka jingbut chupur khat jong ki samla onda ki lawan phai kin se sam lam ye ki jingtip sheki we bat ki para samla kani gede kesien ka pasau ba ka sarkar jala kala pha ye ki samla shabar kari ban shimbenta hakum kini ki lempung ye merjing mut bat na ki hendros pa angut ki samla ki bala tirwa ban shimbenta hakani ki lempung ki bala sha ajit ki long tang kumba arp sangut na ki khat artali ki district ke jala shwaban let shakani ka lempung la yo ru ban penlong ye ka jing ai jing hi kai ka ba rc ka taman haka khat saw bat khat sandari ku rimpang bat haka khat nyo tari kila hair sha Jakarta lingba ka nong ba Singapore yakani ka kinhun layalam da sangut ki officer na Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs bat haka khat South Tarik bat haka khat kandai tarik lai shimbenta haki cultural program balapan long Hussein John Bosco Parish bat Reverend Father Paulus SDB Parish Priest ula pedang buram yaki bat ula pen ithu yaki samlana nongba Jakarta layalam ru yaki bandit jongo yaki jaka badan nam jongkari Indonesia yaki school ba bat ki school hi kaitre haka arp hauterik urum phang kini ki samla ki lai jongo yaka Bali karut duriaw ba pau nam bat patyang bat kini shimbenta haki program ki babun balapan kerpang e na ka benta jongki kini ki samla kin siyo ban pen iperthai ru yaki sap ki phong balapan bit pinbyang da ka Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs kaban pen ang beneng yaki wei bat ki samla na ki wei bat kiri klempep kini ka jinglet ki samla ka Meghalaya shabar kari kan ai hagi ye ka jingtip pat jing shampang kaban sa kan mau shirta jingim ka Office Deputy Commissioner Ribhoi District kalapan kre na dong shadong ban pinbyang yaki officer ban pinya yaki polling station na kabenta ka jing tap vote kaban salong haka arpwe trik urimpang nadu ka khat khandai trik urimpang ki kin hun pinya election ki lalet chala ki jong ki jaka balamang yaki khanang ba kin poi ban pen kre yaki polling station haka por ka babyang Hathem Ribhoi ki don santali ki MDC constituency ki bakin thup yaki jirang Mauhati Nongpo Umsning bat umroi kakong birani ADC Ribhoi kalayathu bahaka district Borokaway kidan ko makhat southly ki critical polling station bat khandrutli ki vulnerable polling station kajing pen kre kalayat chat ban penlong ya kajing tap vote kabayat bet yai renti hakani ki election MDC ki pulit pahara ki lapet ngor bha haki jaka ki bala ban mi kanu kajing e bat kajing wit kum juru ki lapen kre bante alakam yakinu kinu kijing e kanang baka suk kasan kandan hakishnong kitha bar kham tam e haki polling station ka kongrani kalapen tipru na kabenta ka jing shngan bat jingyat bet ka jing tap vote haki jaka critical polling station but vulnerable polling station la pahara da sangut ki armed police but uwe u unarmed police but haki we pat ki polling station la pahara uwe pulit haman ki polling station bat kumju haki jaka babun ki kinthai labu daki pulit kinthai kalaya thuru hadu kani kasngi ka jingpan kre kalanang yai bet yai renti bat kam don kanu ka jing thut bat lakmi lenti ru baha kasngi thapwut kan long kasngi ka bayai bet yai renti klam kinu ki jing thut
Ribhoi district idang khat southly ki critical polling station but khandrutli ki vulnerable polling station kajipun kre na kabanta kini ki critical vulnerable police station kanang kumni kumangala itu manangani ba ngila ki police personnel kila dan lupa ko 3 companies for Ribhoi district kiba deploy keleng saudang ki polling station kanang bakin pe ya kasukasan ya kajing ngat bet jangka voting kaka arpoi terek ni syai ka jimpen kre na kaliang joki police but ki zone apart from zonal magistrate kalong bahaki critical but ki vulnerable PS ni bu iki security kambon hamtu gidan samut ki arm personal but UAE unarmed haki normal PS tadi gidan UAE police personnel but haki female PS beran ki kentai sudah but ngibu deki women armed ki women constable Dikini kini jipun create anak mentah ki vulnerable but ki critical polling station. But haduk mentah kasi haduk mene Pravajiman step ki kiwe ki P-2 or P-1 polling station kita lain haduk mene step. Kita astang move mentah by 2 PM mentah kasi by RBJ kita lain haduk berokan. But bangidan ku mandril keliru ki P-2 polling station ki bala movement kita gidan syajiram macam mau hati. Banaduk menen ke porsan steng kini balok hai kila posh ki polling station tiaduk mentahi ka movement jong ki polling personal long smooth ba ngimpat dan kenu ba ni jengtep ba kenu ka jenggut ka lantian ba rengkat bat kini ki polling station kemudian border ru di deputy commissioner jangi ila dak tho ba ikran bat ki bor sarkar jong ki district ba kapot Assam ba Meghalaya bagi disimkia ba kejingwan jong ki polling parties ke jongi kinam nan jong kun thada lanti bat bagi la balio kumju ban penian election haka suka sign da ko kom bade tikani kini jong create nak mentag ki polling station
lum jingelang ka dream mission jong ka sarkar Meghalaya yeki kin honyam ba pher badan hapo ka shatri jong ko Shillong All Faiths Forum na ki binta ba pher banya ther halor ki mat kumno ban rat dingkhong ya ka jingjel lei jong udrugs bat kum juru ban ai jing hikai ya ki samla puli halor ka jing sniu jong udrugs ha jala ka dream mission jong ka sarkar jilla man haka arphodri gudum phang arjar arpisan kala lum ya ka jingelang bat ki kin hun nyam ba pher na ka banta banya ther halor ki mat ban rat dingkhong ya ka jingjel lei jong udrugs ha jala hakani ka sngi la dal ringkat lang uba Francis Karshi yang mission director jong ka sarkar jilla nang ta umentri katnat social welfare uba polling do u principal secretary jong ka sarkar jila u Sampat Kumar IAS kikin hun nyam ba pher haringkat kinong penya jong ka drugs mission jong ka sarkar jila hakani kasngi lapen long ru ya ka jinga pleo jingmut hapdeng kinong penya jong ka drugs mission ka sarkar jila bat kikin hun nyam ba pher banwat kilat kilinti kumno bante alakam bat banyadaya kibreu na ka jingjlei jong drugs ujing di ubopen buai bat ubak taru ya ki imnang salang bat kasnong katau hakani kasngi haba ai jingkren na kalyang mission director ka sarkar jila uba Francis Karshi uloong baka jinglum ya kani ka jingyalang ban yather kalong shibenta banrat dingkhong ya drugs ka sarkar ka netre lang bat kikin hun nyam ba pher kanang ban palat ya ki samla na ki tirsim jong drugs uba polling do obolong menteri ka social welfare uloong baka sarkar kam shim la shom klikti bat shibon ki kam kalapen I hakabai dei baka jingte ala kam ya drugs hakini ki kendiat banai baladep haka jingelam jong menteri rangba ukwan rat ke sangma kumjuru preston tin sang menteri home and police ulayo ruban play ya ka office anti narcotic task force ka office ka bante lakam ye ke jingwan jong drugs shakani ke jala hakini ki kendiat tayo ka sarkar kala thangru ye ki drugs bala yo kem haka pajwa jong kawai ka karkhana sando bilat halom shnam ulay tho ulo angru baka sarkar kan se trelang bat banyas nok tilang ru ringkat bat kikin hun ba pher bante lakam bat kumju panrat dengkhong ya drugs na kani jala ka sarkar kala mangru ek pisa ka basan phaulak na ka banta ka jingdan kam jong kinu ki jaka ki ban aijing suman bat aijing hikai na ka banta ki tu ki bla shak ta haka jingkirni jong ka jingdi drugs
Government of Meghalaya to thank each one of you from the core of my heart for having spared your time and given your valuable inputs. This is a continuous process and we would like to see that the sooner the better. The sooner we are able to achieve our dream of a drug-free Meghalaya, the better it will be for every one of us. We will need your constant support, engagement, inputs, and positive criticism, constructive criticism. And I also have spoken out about what the government has done in order for you to know that we are taking the matter, the challenge that we are facing very, very seriously. And we would continue to do so, for which we require the support of each one of you. So with these few words, I declare this meeting to have come to a close, and I wish that
how will the government be planning to help what we call faith institutions with regard to this problem that we have? So this is only the thing that I thought I should put in front of the government. And what are the ways that we're planning to help these different congregations that we have here in the state of Meghalaya? We feel concerned about this very much from the part of the faith forum, and also from the part of the church. We feel very much concerned with regard to this important matter. But we also like, because this is also at the same time, it is very, very technical matter. And if we also like to, if we can hear from the government, what are the steps that you're planning to help with regard to the different churches that we have, different faith congregations that we have here in the state of Meghalaya. Thank you very much.
To really, to take forward what we have discussed earlier, and to start working. In fact, our honorable minister, in fact, our honorable chief minister also has been, telling that whatever the support that is required, will be provided by the government to the faith institutions, and today is the beginning of it, so that more concrete way to work in a more concrete way, and we'll also take your suggestions, while going forward, and with this, brief outline of the entire, idea of engagement. So I conclude my initial remarks of today's meeting. Thank you very much.
Tang hapo shisnam balapli ya kaparish bathamai hamawyong kabala ainam hakakriteng jong kamaria urosiri bakoi umos Reverend Archbishop Victor Lingdo Jilanem Bashalong ulakirku batpli ya kayeng shong jong kipadar haka arphotari kurumpang hakani kasngi pli ladon langru Reverend Father Alfred Nongbri parish priest but Reverend Father Edmund Carcenti u assistant parish priest kumjuru ikinong ilam jong kabalan Catholic nakani ka parish rangba along nakani ka parish rangba along kami bat kisam lai kilai don lang bansaki ya kajingkirku yakani ka yeng shong kipadar mentakasi hadin balakirku bat pli yakani ka yeng hakajingkren umos Reverend Archbishop ulakintu yakipat reunget bansongu kirpang yobre ubalakirku kirdo yakabalang bat ikilong yeng long siam paro jong kani ka parish hakani kasi lapen longru ya kajingdoi bakirpang nakabenta baro kinong le bha ki balakir shan bor met bat mensiam bat kumjuru ki balakir shan ka bor pisa ban pen urlong ya kajing angnut bandan ka yeng kasem ka babha nakabenta ki phadar ki ban shong bansa ki pai deunget ka balang Catholic hakani ka parish kilapen pau ya kajing kemen bat kumjuru ya kajing songu ya umus Reverend Archbishop Victor nang ta Vicar General Reverend Father Richard Majau bat ya baro ki baladan kati bante ya kani ka yeng shong ki phadar habaladep kajing lenyam labut sa kajing di isyalang shiyeng shisem. Kito mentan kilalong ki kubor ki bawan shapi na ka Don Bosco Media Network.